because I believe it is also his position not to prolong this matter in discussing collateral matters not pertaining to the articles of impeachment that we are hearing and trying before the impeachment court. The chair rules that the manifestation of Senator Judge Padilla shall remain in the records. We cite as a precedent the precedent mentioned by Senator Judge Pangilinan, where the speech of the late former Senator Rene Cayetano was not expunged from the record, but referred to the Senate as a legislative body where it may be taken up. I ask the indulgence of the parties to this case. Wala po kasi kaming session, ito lang po ang pagkakataon na nakakapagsalita at nakikita-kita kami habang recess kami. Pero umaasa ako, within hearing distance of my colleagues, na kapag nag-resume na po ang Senado sa susunod na linggo matapos ang sona ng Pangulo, may pagkakataon na po ang bawat miyembro ng Senado bilang senador, hindi bilang senator judge, na mailabas yung mga hinaing o anumang nais nilang sabihin kaugnay sa anumang nagaganap o nangyayaring hindi tama sa kanila o ginagawa laban sa kanila. And that I think is the proper forum for us to ventilate, discuss, look into, and if necessary, investigate the allegations and their accusations against senator judges in their capacity likewise as senators. So ordered.